Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter 5 periodic classification of elements, and today's topic is trends in modern periodic table. Now talking about the trends in the modern periodic table. What are the trends followed in modern periodic table? First of all is valency and valence electron. Talking about the valency, we know the combining capacity of the element to complete the electron in its outermost shell is known as valency. Okay, and the valency is the combining capacity of element. It depends upon the number of valence electron, that is the electron present in the outermost shell of the atom. Let us now discuss variation. So on moving left to right in a period, valency increases. Okay, when we move left to right in a period, the valency increases, then it decreases. Okay, first it increases and then it decreases. So on moving left to right, the number of valence electron increases from 1 to 8. Okay, let us explain the period by writing electronic configuration. I'll take the example from sodium to argon. Sodium has atomic configuration 281, magnesium 282, aluminium 283, silicon 284, phosphorus 285, sulfur 286, chlorine 287 and argon 288. So valency of sodium will be 1, magnesium 2, aluminium 3, silicon 4. Now phosphorus it is 3, then sulfur it is 2, chlorine it is 1 and argon is 0. So here the valency, you can see the trend. First it increases, then it decreases. Okay. So the trend will be the valency of an element is either equal to the number of electron in valence shell or 8 minus हम करके निकाल सकते हैं. And variation will be first in a period it will increase and then it decrease. Talking about the valency in a group, it remains same down a group. Okay. In a group, as we know, as the number of the valence electron, they remains the same. So the valency also it remains the same. Okay, जैसे हम we talk about the group 1, that is alkali metal. Now in alkali metal they have one electron in their respective valence shell, therefore the valency of element is 1. Similarly, in group 17, halogens have 7 electrons in their respective valence shell and they need one more electron to complete their respective octet. Thus, the valency of all elements of group 17 is also 1. So, moving on the similar line, we can show the tendency of all the elements of group 2 is 2, 13 is 3, 14 is 4, 15 is 3 and those of group 16 is 2. And the valency of the 18 group, that is noble gases, is there 0. So this is because all the elements, their respective octet are complete except helium which has a duplet. Okay. Now talking about the second periodic trend, that is atomic size. So what is atomic size? The distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell. सेंटर से लेके outermost shell तक यानी कि valence shell तक के लेके, that is the distance is known as atomic size. Okay, if an atom is considered to be sphere, the atomic size is given by the radius of the sphere and is commonly known as atomic radius. Okay, now talking about the variation of atomic size, it decreases left to right in a period as the nuclear charge increases due to the large positive charge on the nucleus. Okay, for example, on moving left to right in a period of atomic radius, it decreases. The atomic radius of element of second and third period we will talk. First we will talk about the second. Third ही ले लेते हैं. For example, from sodium to argon. Sodium, again atomic number 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, then 16, 17 and 18. As we know, As we know, the electrons they keep on adding in the valence shell, and in valence shell what happen, the atomic size, he is saying it regularly decreasing on moving left to right. How it is decreasing? When we add the extra electron, okay, the addition of extra electron take place in the same shell. When we move from left to right, the atomic number it keep on increasing. When it increases by 1 unit, then the extra 1 electron will be added from left to right, but the addition of extra proton to the nucleus increases the nuclear charge by 1 each succeeding element. Due to this, the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are attracted closer to the nucleus and hence the atomic size it decreases. Okay. So instead of increasing, what happen? It decreases. But if we talk about the atomic size in a group, it increases down in a group due to decrease in the nuclear charge and addition of the new shell. So when we move down the group, the number of shell of electron is added at each succeeding element. From, for example, lithium has 2 shell, K and L. Sodium has 3 shell, Kl and M shell. Potassium has 4 shell, K, L, M and N, and so on. And thus we move down the group, the number of shell increases. As a result, the distance between the nucleus and the last shell, that is the valence shell, it increases, and thus the atomic size it increases from top to bottom. Okay, so this is the trend followed in the atomic sizes.